Well, if it isn't Mr. YouTube himself, Mr. Prince of the Internet. 1,000 subscribers, huh? Yeah, I've been keeping up with you. Way to go. Bet you think you're famous now, huh? So listen here, JP, don't get too hot for your own pants, okay? Because remember something. Me and you, as your manager, we work for a little something called the silver screen, okay, where people pay to watch movies that we make together, okay? So I don't know what you're doing out here, spending all this time giving away stuff for free, okay, all this B-roll footage. I don't know what you're doing. I don't understand it. I don't know how to monetize it, JP, okay? So before you start going off and getting your YouTube awards or whatever it is, give me a call back, all right, JP? I'm out.
Hello?
Well, you making YouTube videos now? You one of those bloggers? What's going on?
I just want to create a network, you know, a low-budget indie filmmaker sharing tips and tricks with other low-budget indie filmmakers. That's it.